Liverpool potential LUIZ DIAZ replacement if he eventually signs for Barcelona next season. Potential 4-3-3 lineup with latest top transfer target season 2025/2026. Goalkeeper Alisson Becker. Right back Jeremy Frimpong from Bayern Leverkusen to Liverpool, Dundee. Centre back Ibrahim Konate. Centre back Virgil van Dijk. Left back Milos Kekes from AFC Bournemouth to Liverpool. Central midfielder Alexis McAllister. Central midfielder Gravenberch. Attacking midfielder Florian Wirtz from Bayern Leverkusen to Liverpool, Dundee. Right winger Mohamed Salah. Left winger Mitoma from Brighton to Liverpool next season. Striker Hugo Ekitike from Eintracht Frankfurt to Liverpool. Thank you for your audience.